Yo, what's up guys? Slack 1 Pisonet reaction. Andito nga pala tayo para mag reaction video sa isang maalamat na laban sa kasaysayan ng flip top. Dito evento ng Tectonics 2. Ano siya, 11 years ago, 2013, April 27, 2013. Dito naglaban si ito din yung yung dalawa yung laban ni Charon, kay Skarm at saka kay Saito. Yan. So alam nyo na, ang i-video reaction natin ay si Charon mula Canada at ang nag-iisa legendary Saito. Let's go. Sobrang classic pakinggan ng mga dating intro ng flip top, no? Parang dinadala dun sa panahon na na kung anong taon lumabas to. Mga di nakakalam, sobrang idol ko si Saito. Sa mga di nakakalam dyan.
To everyone who actually supports this shit, yo man, big thank you to all of you.
My game's up, I'll leave you. So pay up or wake up. Shape up or I'll leave you laced up with your wallet missing. So pay up or wake up without a pot to piss in. My game's up, I'll leave your rank cut to your non-existent. You straight suck against.
To, tawanan to, tawa ng tao. Parang minamalit ata niya si Parang, ewan ko ba't tawa ng tao yan. Di naman nakakatawa yung linya. Tawa siya ng tawa.
My game's up, I'll leave your rank cut to your non-existent. You straight suck against righteous one, you couldn't have a leg up on the competition. Rearrange
Righteous one daw, nanalo daw ng competition.
in your circuitry while you're awake, you're in surgery, evacuating a place real urgently like a state of emergency. The crowd can scream your name, there's no way it's disturbing me. I'm cooking shit up behind bars like Martha Stewart chained up for perjury. In my country, a loonie is a coin, so I'm claiming diversity. In the Philippines, a loonie left you shaken up nervously. Our money's worth more, so this turf war can take an eternity. You're gonna pay so you can meet the exchange rate of this Canadian currency. Claim that you burn MCs? Bitch, the day that you murder me, a Holocaust survivor will jump in a time machine and scream, "Take me to Germany."
Lakas nun.
You think you're really nice, Manila Ice? I'd rather have a rematch with Skarm and kill him twice. No race jokes. I'ma thank y'all with this. I'm the rebuttal king. My whole career's based off of flips. Battle the earth, I'm the last person left. Life's a bitch and I'm a pimp, so I flirt with death. It burns my flesh when I walk on church's steps. Birth defects, umbilical cord wrapped around the nurses' necks. It's a battle of wits and you don't know who you're battling with. I was tapping your bitch and her vaginal lips smelled like a fucking janitor fish. A subtitle match has never been done. It's for the love of hip-hop, together it's fun. It doesn't matter which language slides off the end of your tongue, cause battle rap has us united and connected as one.
Comment nyo yung nagustuhan yung linya ni Charon doon. Ang gaganda ng mga linya niya. Ako, paborito ko yung United, connected as one. Yun. Ang lakas nun. Solid yun.
Yo, try to keep the reactions down. First round on Saito.
Hey, Sharon.
I don't
Welcome to
think
my country. By the way, I'm Saito. You know what? In every free time that I have, I'm learning to speak in English fluently. Although I shouldn't do it. In a comparison to my ability, fuck. Just like the
Ang galing ni ano ni Idol Saito. Maganda rin talaga yung mga ano niya. Yung mga banat niya.
Just like the first lesson in nursery. Malamang sa home court nyo, pwede mo akong babuyin at tapak-tapakan. Pero sa aking palatuntunan, dito sa aming palatuntunan, malamang sa baka makita mong maghalo ang balat sa tinalupan. It's not that I'm underestimating you. Do you wanna know who I am in the world that you're stepping in? Isigaw nyo na ito, bigay! Beside magingay! Siguradong maghahabol ka ng patanga-tanga sa lalim ng pananagalog ko sa'yo. Dahil gusto kong maramdaman mo sa wikang Pinoy at mariin kong sasabihin sa'yo na isa ka sa mga bobong tampalasang nakatakdang bawian ng buhay sa mga kamay ko. You cannot beat me on your own way of your own peace, cause I am a hindrance of a wrong wish. Everybody knows that I can disrespect you, but I can prove to you that I'm lovable and respectful person because I am a Filipino. Pero pag hindi ko napigilan, gagawa ko ng bagong palatuntunan. Kikidnapin ko nanay mo, itatayo ko ng bagong bahay palakantutan. 5 piso lang yung tambay. Tapos may bonus na 2 oras yung mga senior citizen na tatay. Quiet. And after that, listen. And after that, I'm gonna fuck your beautiful sister. Hey, listen. I'm gonna fuck your beautiful sister. If she's gonna ask me, Saito, what is this? This is a brand new Philippine roller coaster.
Okay din ha. Lakas ni Idol Saito talaga. Ano rin talaga yung mga banat niya. Okay din talaga.
Ayun, paano kay Sharon?
I didn't understand a lot of what he said, but I probably gotta find it. He talked about roller coasters, but you're not tall enough to ride it. You want to talk about my sister, so I boinked your sister. She let the team hit it. She's so dirty, she has a personal parking spot at the STD clinic. And with your mom, it's a give and go. Everyone in the league hit it, bro. Sin City told me to say poo dang in a mo. Cut your damn wrists. There's a language barrier, but you're a fucking whack bitch. Anyone in any language could understand this. Bitch, I don't fight fair. I can tell that you're quite scared. I'll turn your out-of-netted dreams to a nightmare. It's rare that you're able to free, but freeze up in half your battles. How lame could you be? Your memory's bad in a different language, I see. So if you choke, I'll just get Pesci to translate it for me. You ain't a G. Halloween if you're masked about my door. If you were acting anymore, you get an Academy Award. Smoking C's overseas, travel and explore. I stay close to my enemies. Every global supremacy needs casualties of war. Man, you truly should stop it. You're so gay you tried to act in movies for profit and they casted you as a closet. Looking like you were smacked with a broom. When you were born, the doctor shoved you back in the womb. Shadows to Enigma, he's slaying the game. Thanks to everyone who came out, this place is insane. I spent a whole day on a plane, so tell that faggot Arcane, when I come back to Canada, I'm taking his chain.
Don't sit around on Saito, check it.
I'm sorry, Pangit. I don't understand what you're talking about. Ikalawang yugto ng mga banat ng makatang na atasan laban sa hambog na dayuhang tampalasan. At kung naiintindihan mo ng
Tignan niyo si Idol Target at saka si Harlem at saka si Andy G. Titigan nyo lang sila habang nag-i-speed si Idol sa ito.
maliwanag ang mga sinasabi ko sa'yo, tila eksena sa senaryong ipinagtitiri ko na to. Gaya ng mga letra kong pinahiran ng mga tapang nakamandag na parang nakita mo yung sarili sa sulok na parang bayag na nakabalagbag. Pansamantalang, isasawalang pwersa ko ang galit at magtitiis. Kahit nabatid ko ang kaharap ko ang isa sa mga lahi ng manyakis. Pukin ang inamang baho ng putok mo. Putang ina, dadayo lang ng Pinas, akala mo pokpok yung mga babae. Palibasa yung pukin ng Canadian, matigas pa sa titi ng lalaki. Assalamualaikum, binabati ko yung mga tropa ko Muslim sa buong Pilipinas, sa Baclaran, sa H2. Hello kay Noli, yo. Pag-usaranakan sa kanu sa katerua maranaw. May abuno ka maratay buntan. Gusto mo paglabas mo, putol na ulo mo? Pero hindi. Kaya't give thanks and respect to Enigma, so let me take care of you. But in my next battle with another alien like you, I will not forgive anyone. By the time that they just arrive at the airport, I will put them inside a drum full of poison and pure cement. And this would be a symbol for all of you that having a battle with Saito is the thing that you will repent. Así es María Blanco como el día, pero es veneno si te quieres enamorar. Así es María, tan cliente fría, es un destilado puro de venos, escrupulosamente de muchos añejos. Naintindihan mo? Malamang hindi. Hindi rin. Nabasa ko lang yun, di ko rin naintindihan.
Yeah, I can't rebuttal anything in that verse. See, you choke in half your battles. The fans should cry. How many different types of drugs do you have to try? Quit smoking for you collapse and die. Funny you have toe in your name, but you're not a stand-up guy. He's a fan favorite to half of these folks. I'm not here to battle, I'm here to be a reality coach. You're a sick MC when you don't happen to choke. It's backwards how the crack that you smoke hides the fact that you're actually dope. Man up and cope, it's something that you gotta do. Even the hookers in this country have more balls than you. You have more views than any man on this earth, but Looney gets to shine because you fumble half of your verse. He battled disaster while you stand on this turf. Enigma gave you price tag to show you what you're actually worth. Forget your words, it's like you don't even try hardly. Your memory's so bad you could throw your own surprise party. Against Daddy Joe, you had the wackest flow. This pussy wouldn't stick out if he was a camel toe. You have to know that I'm claiming respect. Labeled a threat, get props from Canadian vets. You rap about the money in the way that you dress. You gotta grab a noose if you wanna hang with the best. Dead him, and I left him as a martyr. You shined in a 5-on-5 because you're dependent on a partner. But Protege is next, and his death is looking darker. So I shall return like General MacArthur. And just one last line to freestyle because I'm killing off these rappers. What's with the fucking sunglasses? Are you the Filipinos, manas? Hey, yo, you gotta realize that I'm coming and I'm so quick. Sounds like he's gonna fucking puke because I'm just that sick. Let's go.
Time. Third round on Saito. Last round.
Ang dami mong pinagsasabi, lintik ka, hindi ko naman naintindihan. Ngawa ka ng ngawa para kang tagubundok, ang sarap mo ng tadyakan. O kininam, nagkalasterupam. Kaya't kung ang maamuam ti pinagsablian noon niya, tisyakin si ka. You look like the kid in the can of Alaska. Hey! Listen, real talk. Based on my own investigation, your whole family have different mental disorders.
Your whole family have different mental disorders. Tangina.
Based on my own investigation, your whole family have different mental disorders. Your father is a collection of a mosquito with an extraordinary powers. And you know what? The sister of your mother... collection of a mosquito with an extraordinary
Your father has a collection of a mosquito with the extraordinary powers. Ina.
powers. And you know what? The sister of your mother with her daughter, together with her grandmother, that is old school snatcher, founder fucking insane mental hospital dancer. They also head of a scary group of Mega Blaster mental hospital.
Also head of scary group Mega Blaster. Putang ina.
Dancer, and published an article on the tabloid newspaper saying it's them who discovered the strength and the gadgets of the Super Power Ranger. And signed by the famous Mongoloid singer named Bastin Jeever. Saying, oh, 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 oh. And then, oh, 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 oh. Sparis bong bong, bada ping pong pong, Sparis kong kong.
Teres Kong Kong. Sa ito own language. Putang ina. Aray ko.
Baragin ganjong, iskeres pong garabing champo kinigaring pangpong.
Pukinang karing pangpong.
Oh, okay lang ano, buhay ka ba, mistisong hilaw? Dating negrong nabanlian ng kumukulong panis na lugaw? Pero kahit kupal ka, ikaw pa rin ang pinakaswerte sa lahat. Ipagpasalamat mong pinatulang ka ng isa sa mga hinirang na alamat. Bagamat, ang mga tangahanga mo, taga-subaybay ko ay napakalayo ng agwat. Nakasampung libro na ako na binasa habang ikaw ay nasa unang pagbuklat. Wait. Before I end up this battle, there's one more thing I want to say to you and to all the rappers of Canada. It's a big pleasure for me to meet one of our brothers in this culture. Peace. I love you, Canada. Oh.
At yun nga yung laban ni Idol Saito at saka na Idol Charon. Sana magustuhan nyo yung mga yung mga ganitong klase ng reaction video na walang pinapaliwanag kasi walang maipapaliwanag. Ilan lang talaga yung naiintindihan ko dun eh. Ayun. Let's go.